Good morning, traders, and these are my Forex setups for today. So yesterday, nothing really happened, and we pretty much treaded water for most of the pairs I was looking at, and I think today pretty much is going to be the same. So we just start off with Euro USD. That's probably the most important one at the moment. Just want to zoom in a little bit, just compress this. So you can see we have been moving sideways for quite some time. Okay, now I am anticipating a breakout of this area here of 111,468, which is this previous swing high here. But obviously I'm not expecting it to just fly through. I'm looking for it to pull back. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. And we're on the 8 hour at the moment. I'm looking for a pullback back into this area, and I see we have another level I need to pay attention to, which is the swing low here. Okay, so we'll get those levels now. And obviously been watching this on the hour. And I just need to zoom in so we can see price action. Right. So you can see if you look at the hour, we definitely have been moving sideways from all of yesterday. Friday we had a bit of a swing up, swing down, and then we sort of came up, tested the top again, and now we're going sideways. So the level that we are at here, 111,468, is clearly a very strong level. So I'd like to see some kind of a pullback. So at this stage, it's sit in hands and wait, be patient. It's going to be a test of patience, and we want to see what happens. And you can see we didn't quite pull back onto this level here yesterday. So that was, I'm looking for 110,893, or alternatively even deep back at 110,529. Okay, same rule applies though. If we do get above this level and we move up, create a new high above it, and then come back and test it, that would be an area that I'd be long. Aussie dollar, US dollar, similar scenario at the moment. Just zoom in. You look to the left, you can see the difference here is that we have broken through this level here. Okay, so I'm looking for a retest. You can see I've got two levels drawn in. I've got the first level drawn in at 0.67471. That's the first area of support I'm looking for. Second area of support would be 0.66781. Trend is up. This may be a bit of an exhaustion bar into the area here, but we need to wait and see what happens at support to see if we can get a move up. So you can see from yesterday, let's just do that. Okay, yesterday we didn't quite pull back to here. We broke through here and then didn't pull back again. So it didn't really offer any opportunities, although the level was respected. So this is definitely the area that I'd be looking at right now. So 0.67471, that's something that I'd be looking at for another attempt at these highs. Pound Japanese yen, again, similar scenario. And I just need to put in a level here. And that is this area where we are right now. You can see there are the swing highs onto it. You can see all the congestion here. And if you probably find if you switch back, you can see there's a rejection on it, some support there as well. But anyway, that is a level that we need to pay attention to as well. But again, I'm looking for a move back down before I get in long. So back onto the hour. And you can see it does look like a bit of a flag forming. So I would be more comfortable waiting at 133.614. So that's pretty much the area that I'm looking at the moment. Not interested in getting it up here. Definitely looking at further down. This is a pretty major level that we're at, 134.690. Okay, then there's a new one that I've stumbled on this morning, which is Euro ZAR, so Euro South African Rand. Now I think the important part here is to look at the bigger picture. We've had this big move up, and then we have a rather big and ominous looking flag. Okay, and then if we come back down onto the hour, in actual fact, for this pair, just work with a 4 hour. And I just want to zoom in. Okay, so now you can see there is our flag. Okay, but now have a look what's happening inside the flag. We've got to move up, and then we have another flag forming, and we have a level right over here. Okay, so there are actually two levels, one where we are at the moment, and one a little bit further down. And you can see there is another little flag inside there. Okay, so there is our next flag. Okay, so yeah, as far as I'm concerned, this is an area that I'd be interested in right now. It's a break of this fractal here at what's the value here? 19,411. Break above there gives me a stop. So it gives me a long, and a break below 19,318 is the stop loss area. Okay, so yeah, so this is something I'm looking for on the European Open. It may offer an opportunity for a long, and that's a good sizable move. But then you can see how this move would break the bigger wedge as well. So something worth watching. And the last one that we just want to pay attention to again is pound USD. Now you can see what's happened here is we've got onto this level here at 124,816. Okay, we haven't broken it. We looks like we're rejecting it, but it is a higher high from this little turn here. So I'm looking for that pullback again. So don't want to be long with looking at price action that looks like that. I mean, you can see that really starting to roll over at the moment. So I'm looking for a move back down to 124,211. And if we can get some decent price action in this area, that would give me a fairly decent long to test the highs again with a stop just below these swing lows here. And I'll see if we can just get a level of here. 123,753 would be my stop area. Okay, so yeah, so those are the 5 pairs that I'm watching today, pretty much similar to yesterday. Patience is key, unfortunately. We are at extended levels, so we're looking for some pullbacks to get back in and move with the trend. So there are some strong trends there, and that's pretty much what I'm waiting for today. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps you, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.